Hello everyone. Now we will start our first ever interfacing, that is LED interfacing with Arduino. For that I am going to use two softwares. One is Arduino IDE and second one is Proteus. I will take components. One is Arduino Uno and second is LED, animated LED, whatever color you want. I will connect this LED to pin number 13 and second pin is to ground. Let's save it. After that, this is Arduino software and here are mainly two loops. One is white setup and one is white loop. The white setup loop is for whatever you want to initialize the things, that things should be written in white setup, which will run only once, and the thing you want continuous, that you have to write it in white loop. So now first thing what we have to do is we have to make pin number 13 as a output. So for that there is one instruction in Arduino which is pin mode. In that 13 comma output in capital letters. Okay, this instruction will make pin number 13 as output pin, and this thing we have to do for only once. So for that we don't need to repeat this instruction again and again. That's why we are writing this instruction in white setup. So after that I will write, see, if I want to switch on LED and after some delay I want to switch off, then I can write that code in white setup only. But if I want continuous blinking, then I have to write that code in white loop. So let us see both things. I will just write code in white setup first, that is digital write WRIT 13 comma 1. This instruction will make LED on. This instruction will make LED on, which is connected to pin number 13. 1 means on, which is active high. If you write 0 here, then it will make LED off. So it will make LED on. After that I have to assign some delay, and that is for only 1 second. It is in millisecond delay. So if you want 1 second, you have to write 1000 value there, which will initialize a delay of 1 second. So after that I have to switch off that particular LED. So I will copy and paste here, just change this. So this will, now what will happen, LED will get on, after 1 second LED will get off, and this is the end of this program, because this loop is never gonna be repeat again. So there is only once action will be taken. I will verify this code. Okay, 0 errors. So now I will double click and browse for hex file, desktop, temp, and this hex file. Okay, I will run it. LED on, after 1 second it will get off, and it will never on again, because the code in setup is only for once. So I will now change. I will write whole code into void loop now. Again we will check. Now this action has to be done repeatedly, but this is not getting off, this is continuous on. According to our code, this should have be LED should be off after 1 second, but this is still on because there is one small mistake I have made. Actually, see here, LED will get on after 1 second delay, it will get off, but there is no delay of for LED off. That's why it is again getting on. That's why it is not showing to us that LED is off. So what I will do, I will just copy this delay and paste it, and after that I will check it. Now we will see LED is on, after 1 second it is off, and again after 1 second it will get on, and this is a continuous process which is called as an unended process. This was our first video of our tutorial, first interfacing. Thanks for watching. The next video will be available soon.